Whoa. Cokehead. Cokehead. I'm a cokehead. I want cokehead, you know. I'm a cokehead. Me is a rumhead. Me is a rumhead. Never be a cokehead. I will never be a cokehead. But if you don't want to be a cokehead, your kung fu no better than mine. You what? You what? Them see me? You feel like them see me? Them not see me, you know? Them don't see me. Hello. Red rising. Afternoon now. I fuck up some food right now. Alone chefing in a go on. Just there chefing in. And see baby people are call. From morning, you know, I say, I want to get at least a good 8 hours sleep. Like, this is be a call. Yo. Me I say, me? Like, me? Oh well. I'm a cokehead. I don't know. July the 31st. Una go wonder if I'm a cokehead, I'm a madman, I'm a one little genius, and I go on like I'm a cokehead and I'm a madman. For fool on say I'm not a genius. So this is more to go subscribe to my page. It near Madsus talk facts. Not opinion. Not your feelings. You understand? We not talk because yo, how do you feel? Oh no. We are going to have a decent conversation, very collective, very punctual, very calm and, you know, easy. Because you know that you see in me in that frame of mind are the worst frame of mind that you know want have me in a when I'm calm. So when I'm calm now, I'm relaxed. Who say facts? You don't know nothing, you know. Yo, hey, don't come talk about facts. You know nothing. You know nothing. Sure. So, them time they when me calm and said so. Holy power seal pan on us. You don't even know. We not do them something there. We not lick nothing. We not lick nothing. We not lick 8 ball. We not lick pussy. We not lick out batty. We not do them something there. We not do them something there. You know, them nasty lifestyle and them something there. But anyway, may I say, big up the man them. Big up everybody. All of the, you know when me I tell you no, I go get it today so back, you know. Me, I go get it back too. You see when I run from, and me, I will get back dancehall listen too. You see me? But without violence. Without violence. You see me? There won't go, we not gonna have no violence. Him and me in my class. Hey, yes, you, little girl, come off of my life, you know. Shandan, come off of my life. You, me a class, you say facts. What is, me say, what you know? Oh, my, you know, I'm not, this is a kitchen, this. There is no class right here, so it's a kitchen. This is a kitchen. There is no school, no class. Shut somebody down. You better go and back up in the army and go do the shooting over there, so. Anyways, me gonna get back dancehall without violence to that clashing era. It now gonna be the hardcore era like the hardcore them time there, but we need it back. You know, for circle them, you know, the whole heap of talking and this and that. And that it all do it circle them something there. You see me? It circle them something there. You see it, so otherwise I'm that. Because I say, yeah, me I want me in the producing thing too, so you don't know. Me know what me I do. But big up everybody. Big up everybody, you see me? Rate all of the ones them. Rate all of the artists them who do the right thing and put out the music them and you know? Yo, I say I want drop one piece of topic right now, you know? But me nah go drop it. More me say, yo, me say me just well me would I eat anything you cook. Never again. You got lucky one time. But your mother Madsuss. See, me not tell nobody about their mother. Very, blah, whatever. But we not do nothing with violence, youth, we rate all the youth, them do the thing. You know, keep focus. Subscribe to my page. Madsuss Talk Facts. Subscribe to my page. Releasing Context July the 31st. No man I tell no man about them mother brother. And them something their brother. You see it? I want them post a video and show you, what I just suck your mother to get somebody, you know. A man just get on the stage and tell the man about his mother. The man say, hey, that you say? And the man will get the suck your mother, him have to tell the man, him say, yo, you behave on yourself, you stop do that. Behave. Don't them foolish there. You see me? You see me? So, love them thing they all tight. You see me? Lyrical feud. And I'm not an artist. Jeez, I'm paying me to draw me. Like, I really want to even bring in this one part out of the context. Out of the context I have set up for July 31st. I just want to go one little part out of it right now and talk. But no, I don't have 500 personality. That is something else I need. That person I read my mind. That is something else where on introduction day of introducing myself, I will also introduce my 5 alto egos because I literally have 6 alto egos, but one of a hide. That one they have to chain down and like hide way. So you now go know that one day. So I have 5 alto egos. You know, I got 5, literally I got 5. Remember my father telling you have Andre, that's Andre with the apostrophe over the E because it's French. It's not Andre. My name Andre, my name is Andre. Okay, so you have Andre, then you have Teddy. You see me? Then you have Madsus. You see me? Then you have DeAndre. DeAndre, that's for the ladies, DeAndre. And then you have Tigo. You see me? 5 different alter ego. You have no new rhythm? Yes, I have. I have quite a few new rhythms right now. Text Madsuss page, DM me in the page. Madsuss Entertainment, yeah, the Instagram page. Yeah. Madsuss God, yeah, crack, yeah, and just the man, right? Stop most of that. Okay, whatever. Yeah. It's called redering. It's called redering. You use redering. You know, I show you guys off this track with redering. I give you what I want you to think. I want you to say. But if you like Tigo, no wickedness. You see, a good thing. I never tell another number 6 ego come. I say Tigo or somebody. I say Tigo. So like how the wicked, no wicked. Me no wicked. Me a good youth, you know. Yo, me a good youth. Me born a country. Me born in a house, in a country, in a district. I wasn't born in an hospital. You get me, I say? And oh, your nerves, Madsus is still a jump. Yeah. True, my nerves like, you get me rattled right now. You see me? So, I born a country, you know, me me easy. Nothing no frighten me, we no frighten for nothing. You know, it's how we grow, because we grow a country, you know, and Portmore, you know. You see me? Me, I usually trim people for send myself to school and read from like 8th grade. You see me? Me a barber. You see me? Me no bad nobody. Me no bad in a no way. I no bad nobody. You see me? Me me are the real definition of a nerd. You see Steve Urkel? Did I do that? And me that. And me are the Jamaican Steve Urkel with the big glasses. I just last. That glass is the last shopping. I need to go get to a new one. You see me? Yeah. You know? It's blah boom. Gambia, you don't worry, you know, Sue see him over there. In Sue, yeah, you see me? So, big up everybody. Yo, big up everybody. Big up everybody. Yo, the live are all up my chef process right now. And the worm them, I say, yo, come on, 5 my dad. You see me? Yeah, because you see the drop down right now, but my people are going to get something and laugh off of you about it. So come on, 5. Boom. Internet and go deal with the food. And give me around what time now? Puff. Do the maths. I'm out.